Hey, John Crestani here, and if you're looking to make money online without having to spend anything, literally anywhere in the world, no matter what age you are, and you don't even want to have to go through the process of applying to affiliate network and hoping to get approved, well, this is the affiliate network for you. You literally get accepted automatically anywhere in the world, including Nigeria. You can start with this affiliate network, which I'm about to go through a walkthrough of. And I'm going to go in depth into this affiliate network. I'm going to explain the pros, the cons of this affiliate network, and I'll be going over exactly how you can find products to sell, how to get your links, and how you can promote those products so you can start earning money anywhere in the world without investing really money into anything. So let's get into this. I've done affiliate marketing for almost 11 years now. I've made almost $20 million in this industry, and I'm going to show you from A to Z exactly how to get started with JVZoo. Crestani here, and today we're going to be discussing the affiliate network JVZoo, which is really great because they don't even have an application process. You can get accepted there anywhere in the world, and you can start making money with it. And if you want to follow along with me and hear about the pros and the cons and just skip to where you can apply to the network, go to johncrestani.com/network. So you can pause the screen right now, go there and check it out. And I'll be going through this affiliate network. Also, if you want to join our community, make sure you look in the description, and there is a link to our Discord chat channel where we have, different chat channels, I guess, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, Amazon FBA, money-making app, swipes. I really want to create a community. All of this is free for you to talk about, because I can't respond to all your comments anymore, for you to discuss different methods to make money online. I know many of you are, furloughed, laid off, don't have work right now. So this is a great place to start to talk with other people and not just hear it from me, but hear it from other folks. So go to the comments below and you can learn about that. Now, without further ado, let's go into JVZoo. Now, in order to sign up for this network, once again, you can go to the network sheet that I gave you and you can sign up. There should be a link right here for JVZoo, and I list out all of the different information about it. So you can click this link to get started with creating your account. Again, there is no approval necessary for JVZoo, which makes it pretty cool. They accept all countries all over the world, and they have 57,000 different products that you can sell. Now, when you join, you will need to get approved for individual offers, but there are high-ticket products available. So if you want to go through the website itself, you would just go to JVZoo, and then you'd click Start for Free up here. You can see right up there in the top right corner, like any website, it's there. Now, there are a lot of affiliates with JVZoo, over 800,000 different affiliate marketers with this program. And, some of these anti-gurus guys, I mean, how many of you folk also follow CoffeeZilla, Spencer Cornelia, Tom Nash, or Mike Winnett? Let me know in the comments below which of the anti-guru YouTubers you follow. But, basically they would like me to say that, very small percentage of affiliates actually make money. So keep in mind, this is competitive and this is a competitive industry. Not everybody will make money because it takes time and effort, and many people are, in my opinion, they're just lazy, or oftentimes they're watching these videos on their camera phones with it in portrait mode so they can skip through the comments. That's bad, okay? And so let's look at the network itself.
Don't miss our free webinar where JC is going to show you the best and easiest way to make money online with ClickBank and Facebook. Sign up with the link in the description.
So here we are in the JVZoo interface, and you'll see that they have a breakdown of both the amount of money you make as a seller, which means if you put a product on JVZoo, and they also list the amount of money you made today and yesterday as an affiliate. So, that's one thing I like, that their dashboard shows you the money right away. Now, in order to get started as an affiliate selling product, you'll need to go over to this area, which is affiliates, right there after you sign up. Now, once again, I get 60,000 questions a month asking me if you can do this in whatever country, or if you can do it on a mobile phone, or if you can do it if you're underage. Yes, yes, and yes, okay? Set it. Please don't ask again. I'm tired of those comments. Just try it out too if you have questions. Be resourceful is one of the first things to know as an entrepreneur. Now, here we are, and if you want to find products, it's pretty simple. You go over here to find products then. Now, they also have some information. If you are looking for more information on how to be an affiliate, you can find there. But let's find products. Now, here you'll see all of the listings of products. Now, we can make this longer. We can add, so we can see more products. And how this is sorted right now, as you can see, is this is all sorted by how many of the products sold, okay? So this is a pretty good indicator. If somebody sold a lot of their product, it means it's probably a good product to sell. And in marketing and in business, you always want to go with the winners. So video maker effects is, I would say, sell that product. You see 37,000+ of these products were sold, and the average price was $49 and a 50% commission. So if we pull out our calculator here and see how many of this product were sold, we could go 37,500 times $49 times 50% commission. So this product has paid out about $918,000 to affiliates. And you could do this for all of the other products here, but once again, if this product has paid out about $1 million to affiliates, I'd want to promote that. Just to give you comparison, by the way, we paid out in my affiliate program almost $2.5 million last year to our affiliates. Many of you are subscribers on this channel. So first off, hats off to all the folk that got commissions selling Super Affiliate System. Thank you for your support. So before we get further into things, let's look up more information about this product that we can sell and earn commissions for first. So I'm just going to click this link right here. Now that brings us to the offer page. And you might be wondering, first off, if the sale price of this product is $27, why is the average commission more than that? And the reason for that is because they have a lot of upsells in the sales funnel. Now you'll see here, this is the information to request promoting this product. It says new affiliate with under 25 JVZoo sales. Please fill out this application in full. Now, each product will have different, requirements to fill out the application. Let's just look at this. So it's asking you name, your website. Again, having a website helps you. And also they want to know your method of promotion. Now, I go over some of this information if you follow along in the networks sheet right there. I provide information how to get accepted as affiliate under the resources. So you go to resources, then you can go under this document which says how to be accepted as an affiliate. And in that document, I talk about, what are good things to basically know and say and do to get accepted as an affiliate. I'll talk about the traffic methods and how you can get free traffic in a little bit. This is a good application, and it's simple. It should be simple to get accepted, and you can write right there. Okay, then you just fill out your information and request approval. Now there's some other interesting information here as well. So you have an affiliate contest, which usually means that you'll get prizes. If you get a number of sales, you get an extra $1,000 if you get 100 sales. And it also goes over some integrations, bonuses, number of affiliate sales, blah, blah, blah. It goes over their refund rate here. So this gives you just more information to understand about the promotion of this. Now, what is the product, you might be wondering? If you want to actually look at what's being sold, you go over right here on the offer card to where the sales page is. Now that brings us to one of the first terms, which is sales page. What is a sales page? A sales page is where the product is actually promoted, okay? It is the page that whatever links, when you are accepted as an affiliate, your links will go to this page. And in order to make money, people will need to buy the product on this page. This gives us some idea. It's video creation software. So who might this appeal to? This software might appeal to people who want to become YouTubers. There are a couple people in the world who want to become YouTubers. I guess there are millions of people in the world that want to become YouTubers. And your job as a marketer is to convince the YouTubers or any other people who could use video creation software, that this software will help them out in their journey to become YouTubers, or maybe it'll help out their small business because they'll create videos. So that is your job. You are a salesperson. You are a digital sales person. You need to make sales in order to make money. But fortunately for you, you don't have to talk to anybody. So that's the sales page.
Don't miss JC free webinar where you'll learn his 3 top secret strategies. This method will make you the most money possible and earn you big commission with other people's products. Just sign up with the link in the description.
Now, the next important piece of information is what is called the JV page, okay? Which is the next term that I'm going to address here. So the JV page, it says additional affiliate information. Thanks for coming on board. Go to the JV page. Now, what JV means is JV means joint venture. This is another word for affiliate. It's really the same thing. For whatever reason, this industry has a lot of confusing terms. If you agree with me, just type in confusing down below. Because there's a lot of confusing terms in this industry. I don't know why everybody just doesn't say affiliate, but beats me. Now, the JV page is great for getting useful information. If we click here, we see they give you ways to get your links. They give you demos of videos that you can create using their software. They talk about the prizes, and they also give you updates, and you can get free access or review copy of their software by filling in your information here so that you can better promote it. Here, you're also seeing they walk you through the sales funnel. Okay, so they're saying it starts with $37 product. They upsell, or the OTO, one-time offer, is another $37 product. And then they have another $27 product, and they explain all of this here about how the sales funnel works. And you earn on everything that they buy as an affiliate. So they give you all that information. They give you a lot more information on how to promote. I'm not going to go through everything specifically here, but the point being is that they're here to help you because you're helping market their product. The last term I'm going to go over is bonus, and bonus has a special meaning in affiliate marketing, especially for JVZoo folks. So if we look up, let's even look up this term, Video Maker FX, we might see, reviews, we might see review and bonus. Let's see if we see any of that. What some marketers do is they offer a bonus with the product. So like, for instance, what would lead you to buy this Video Maker FX from this person versus this person or this person? Now, what some affiliates do is they give a better bonus. And a bonus might be an ebook. It might be a consultation. It might be anything. It might be some templates. Now, for instance, with this product, what would make a really good bonus, messaging YouTubers or aspiring YouTubers, telling them that they could use this software to become a YouTuber, a good bonus would be a consultation on how to grow a YouTube channel, or it could be an additional ebook or a resource guide of 5,000 ideas to create videos around that don't require your face in them, or something along those lines, to really help drive it home that this is the best product for them to buy, and you make it even easier. And if you want to get started, and if you're wondering, how do I get traffic? How do I get people actually clicking on my JVZoo product links? Go down, make sure first you have to subscribe to my channel. And after you subscribe to my channel, you can scroll down and you will see right here at the bottom, I have a whole playlist on free traffic methods. I've done all of the methods on free traffic that I can possibly think of right here, and you can see them all from Instagram, Facebook, Google, free ads, Twitter, Quora, text, Pinterest, YouTube, Craigslist, Tumblr. I mean, just a million ways to make money online and get traffic for free. Another way you could start learning is you can go to this link right here, JohnCrestani /start here, for my full list of free traffic methods. And if you're interested in being an affiliate for my program, you can go to my resource guide right here and get copy paste information on how to promote, and a lot of resources. We have the best support for affiliates of any affiliate program. You can get all your resources right here. In order to join more affiliate networks and learn about what other options are out there, make sure you go to this link right here, johncristani.com/networks, to find out about the affiliate networks that are available for you to join, what they specialize in, what countries they accept, what beginner level is good. And if you have any things that you would like for me to add to this sheet, let me know. My assumption is you don't know a lot about affiliate marketing, so maybe you don't know what to know. But if you do, let me know what other information I could add to this network sheet when I review these. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, make sure you murder that subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment. Don't be a stranger. I'd love to chat with you, and I especially invite you to be a part of our Discord chat community. Make sure to go to the link in the description, and we're talking about all sorts of stuff, all sorts of ways to make money on there. Hopefully you can create a community, get some help, and start making money online. And when you start making money, send me a testimonial video so I could put it up on my website and stuff. Thank you so much. Have a good one, and talk to you soon.